Moisture-resistant varnish is specially formulated to protect wood surfaces in damp or humid environments, making it excellent for doors, boats, and bathrooms. It cures into a slightly flexible layer, which allows wood to expand and contract with changes in humidity without cracking. Creates a protective barrier that prevents water from soaking into the wood, reducing risks of swelling, rot, or warping. High-quality moisture-resistant varnishes include UV blockers to prevent wood from fading, cracking, or drying out when exposed to sunlight. Because it resists both water and weather, it's one of the best finishes for outdoor doors that face rain and sun exposure. Compared to standard interior varnishes, it lasts longer outdoors before requiring recoating. Despite its strength, moisture-resistant varnish does wear over time and usually needs to be reapplied every 2-5 years, depending on conditions. Often applied in multiple, slightly thicker coats to build a durable protective film against weather and moisture. Like many oil-based or marine-grade finishes, it tends to dry slower, which means more waiting between coats. Most moisture-resistant varnishes lean toward a glossy or semi-gloss finish, as that sheen naturally sheds water better than matte finishes. You can varnish your door yourself, but why bother when you can contact your local Door Renew? They'll do it for you. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.